Hello, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to talk about the layout of the content wrapper. Inside the content wrapper, we will create three different sections because we have divided our layout into three different sections: the left section, and the center section, and the right section. So, the left section will hold the left side of the project, as you can see here, and the right section will hold the right side of the Facebook project, as you can see here, and the center div will hold the center section. We will focus on the center section first, then we will going to create left section and the right section. So for the center, we are going to create post wrap first, the post create menu. For the post create menu, we need to create a div which is act as a wrapper for the create post menu, and inside the create post wrap we're going to create two different divs, and that will hold the top section and the bottom section. So we have divided two different sections. We will use a flex property to actually stack together with the flex direction column, and then we are going to add another div which hold the image and the input menu. And for the bottom menu, we are going to create a div which hold this menu. And for the image, we are going to create a div which hold the image, and for the input, we are going to another div which will be hold the input field. And for the bottom menu, this menu will we will use under list to create this menu. So let's conclude what we are going to create. First, we are going to create a wrapper. Let me show you. Here you can see. First, we are going to create a wrapper for the create post. Then we will create another div which will act as a inner wrapper. And inside the inner wrapper, we will create another div which hold the top section and the bottom section. And then we will create a div for image and for input, and we will create a div for this menu, and inside that div we will add another list which hold this menu. So I think we have discussed much about the layout, so let's get started building our HTML structure. So see you in the next lecture.